Hello there, Scratcher fans. Welcome to the channel. Lucky Scratcher here. For today's video, I've got a little bit of a different kind of mix for you today. All of the tickets that you see right here are ones that my son actually picked out for me to scratch. He thought they seemed lucky, they felt lucky to him, so this is what I got. I've got 6 of the $1 taco tripplers, 3 of the $5 winner chicken dinner, and 1 of the $30 Xtreme crossword. So hopefully he was right, and we've got some lucky tickets here. The taco triplers are tickets 6 through 1, and they're all from a book 6. The winner chicken dinner are tickets 10, 11, and 12. Those are from a book 3. And then the crossword extreme, or extreme crossword, however you want to say it, is ticket 11 from book 1. Alright, so let's get started on these, hopefully lucky tickets, and see how we did. Starting off with ticket number 1, Taco Tripler. These are symbols only. You find looking for a line wedge or a 3x or 5x multiplier to win. No matching. And we have a pot of gold, bell, and emerald. Heart, diamond, star, and banana, key, and last chance. No win on ticket 1. That's the cherry on the last one. On to ticket number 2. See if we can't find a line wedge or a multiplier. Rainbow, bell, key, horseshoe, cherry, emerald again, clover, wishbone, and pot of gold. So no win on 2. On to number 3. We've got bell, diamond, cherry, key, banana, star, wishbone, crown, and clover. So no win on 3. If you're wondering, or if you don't know, should have done this sooner. Odds winning are 1 in 4.81 for any prize, and 1 in 8.93 for cash prize. So not the best of odds, but it's a $1 ticket. What can you expect? Rainbow, diamond, banana, emerald, bell, horseshoe, star, pot of gold, and clover. No win on 4. Moving on to ticket number 5. Let's see what we got here. Starting off with emerald, crown, diamond, star, bell, key, wishbone, there's the horseshoe, and banana. No win on ticket number 5. Under our last taco tripler, hopefully the win's here. Let's see, we have banana, heart, emerald, horseshoe, rainbow, crown, wishbone, cherries, and key. Well, no luck on the taco tripler. No win on ticket 6. Moving on to the first of our 3 winner chicken dinners here. Ticket number 10. Got bonus spots up here. You want to find a 50 symbol to win $50, or match and win down here, or find a 5x or a rooster or a chicken symbol to win all the prizes automatically. Still haven't found a 50 in the bonus spots. Maybe we can find one today, but not on this ticket. Alright, winning numbers on this ticket are 26, 11, 32, 18, and 37. Alright, nothing in that first row. One off. One off again. One off again. So getting close, but we just can't seem to get a match. One off again. One off again. Last chance for a win. Alright, starting off with not a win on ticket 10 of the Winner Chicken Dinner. Moving on to 11. Come on, lucky number 11. Hope you have something good for me. We got 50. No, that's a bell. Back here, nope, that's a chest. Still looking for that first bonus win. Alright, let's see if we can't find any multiplier chicken symbols. Oh, not in that first row. Not in the second row either. And not on this third row either, unfortunately for me. We have to get a win the old-fashioned way by matching. Alright, let's see what our winning numbers are. First one is 38. We got 39. Alright, next one is 31. There's 32 right there. And 30. No 31. How about 4? There's 3. Nope. 34. That is a no. Alright, last chance for a win. Ends with a 7. I don't have anything that ends with a 7. So no win on ticket number 11. I hope we're not going to end up with a 0 session. Let's see. Crown. And chest, so no bonus win again. Winning numbers this time are 2, 22, 32, 11, and 3. Alright, let's see what we get. Just one off. Close, but not close enough. One off again. One off again. One off again. I guess it's going to be like that today. One off. Where were you on the last ticket? Could have used you. Last chance for a win here. What do we got? 16. Nope. Alright. No win on the Winner Chicken Dinner. Not living up to its name. Alright. Our last chance for a win today is the $30 Xtreme Crossword. Let's scratch off our word bank or letter bank here and see what letters we're working with today. We got B, I, X, L, J, P, H, R, G, D, N, K, M, F, W, T, S, Y, and O and U. So we have no A. We have R, S, T. We don't have E. This is not going to be good. And no C. So no A, no E, and no C. All right. Let's get started crossing out everything that has an A, an E, and a C in it. No bonus word there. No bonus word there. I think I'm going to scratch out pretty much almost every word. Okay, so not very many potential words left in the first puzzle here. 2, T-W-O, I have. Job, J-O-B, I have. Hoop, H-O-O-P. Wow, got 3 words. We got a win. I was not expecting that. Missing the A and E. Is that it? Is there any more word? No, that's it. Well, at least we got a ticket win, so we're not getting a goose egg for this video, which is nice. All right, moving on to puzzle 2 here. No A, no C, or no E. I'm only left with 2 words on this one. Dim, D-I-M, yep. And thrift, T-H-R-I-F-T we've got. I think that's the only 2 words available. So that doesn't mean much. Yep. So that means we are... Well, let's check our... Well, we can't do this bonus word source because it has an E and a C. And invite has an E, so no bonus word wins. Down to... Left to our 3rd puzzle here. So no A, no E, A and E, no C, E, E, A, E, 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 A, E, C, E, C. So do we have 1, 2, 3, 4 words possible? Unless I missed something. Oh, no, it's not salute. So 3 words possible. Unless I missed something. ZOO for zoo. Do we have a Z? Don't have a Z. So only 2 words possible. So output OUTPUT. We have output. And yolk, YOLK. But again, that's not a win. So going back to our puzzle 1 up here, 3 words. Let's find out the ticket win, see if we have anything here besides just a 1x multiplier. It is 1x, so we got a $30 win. Unless by some miracle, I don't think that's going to happen here. Yep, so we have a $30 win. All right, so didn't get sumped. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you don't miss any future videos. And if there's any tickets you want to see in future videos, be sure to put those in the comments below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.